بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والليل إذا يغشى.
By the oath of the night when it covers the light,
والنهار إذا تجلى.
and by the day when it brightens,
وما خلق الذكر والأنثى.
and by the one who created male and female.
إن سعيكم لشتى.
Indeed, your efforts differ in aims and purposes.
فأما من أعطى واتقى.
So, the one who gave in the path of Allah and practiced piety,
وصدق بالحسنى.
and believed the best thing, i.e., Islam to be true.
فسنيسره لليسرى.
So, very soon we will provide him with ease.
وأما من بخل واستغنى.
And the one who was miserly and became careless of the hereafter,
وكذب بالحسنى.
and belied the best thing, i.e., Islam.
فسنيسره للعسرى.
So, very soon we will subject him to the hardship of hell.
وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
His wealth will not benefit him when he will fall into destruction.
إن علينا للهدى.
Indeed, guiding is our responsibility.
وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى.
And indeed, only we are the owner of both the hereafter and this world.
فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى.
I henceforth warned you of the fire that is ablaze.
لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى.
No one except the most unfortunate will enter it,
الذي كذب وتولى.
who belied and turned away.
وسيجنبها الأتقى.
And very soon he will be kept far away from it, i.e., hell, the one who is most pious.
الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى.
Who gives his wealth in order to become pure.
وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى.
And no one has done a worldly favor to him for which recompense may be given in return,
إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى.
he desires only the contentment of his Lord who is the Most High.
ولسوف يرضى.
And indeed, soon he will be very pleased.
صدق الله العظيم.